how to turn off passcode on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off passcode on your iPhone. Let's get started. Head over to settings. Now, you'll need to scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. You'll need to enter your current passcode and then scroll down and you can see turn off passcode option, but you can see that passcode is required when Face ID is set up. So you'll need to scroll up first and you'll need to reset the Face ID and remove Face ID first, and then you can turn off the passcode. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.